The U.S. Supreme Court made it easier on Tuesday for U.S. companies to seek compensation from Cuba's government for property seized decades ago by former leader Fidel Castro's government. The High Court ruled 6-3 in favor of ExxonMobil in its lawsuit against Cuban state-owned firm Corporación Cemex, with the 6 conservative justices backing the decision. It said a legal defense called foreign sovereign immunity, which generally prohibits U.S. lawsuits against foreign governments and their agents, is not available in cases like this one. The Supreme Court reversed a lower court's 2024 ruling that Cemex could invoke the sovereign immunity defense. Exxon's 2019 lawsuit accused Cemex of unlawfully using a refinery and service stations that once belonged to Standard Oil, Exxon's corporate predecessor. The case will return to a lower court for further deliberations on Cemex's potential liability. Exxon relied on a 1996 U.S. law called the Helms-Burton Act, which permits lawsuits to be filed in U.S. courts against anyone who traffics in property confiscated by Cuba's communist government after the 1959 revolution that brought Castro to power. U.S. President Donald Trump's administration supported Exxon's appeal to the Supreme Court. The ruling was issued at a rancorous time in U.S.-Cuban relations. The United States on May 20th brought murder charges against former Cuban President Raul Castro, Fidel's younger brother, in a major escalation of Trump's pressure campaign against Cuba's government. Under Trump, the United States has effectively imposed a blockade on Cuba by threatening sanctions on countries supplying it with fuel, triggering power outages and exacerbating its worst crisis in decades.